All right, in this tutorial, we will be setting our Git. All right, so first of all, let's go to github.com, and from here, let's create a new repository. And let's give some name. For now, let's choose Ecommerce full stack, right? And in the description, you can put it empty and then create repository. And that's it. Now let's copy the link. And then let's come over here to the terminal and let's open up a new terminal first. And then let's add git remote add origin. It should be git remote add origin and then the link, right? Git remote add origin and then the link. It's saying file not a git repository. Okay, all right. I think we have to initialize it first, right? So let's add git init first, and after that, git remote add origin, and then the link we copied, and it has added remote. Now git add dot, right? I think we forgot dot, git add dot, like that, and then git commit m, and then the messes, right? So let's say setup and layout, and we also completed the route, right? So, and then the UI setup, and that should be it, right? And then let's push, git push. And before pushing, right, we have to okay, first let's change the branch. So git branch -m min, and after that git push -u origin and then min. And now it should push all the codes. So yeah, so let's check it out and let's refresh. And that should be it. It has pushed all the code from local repository to the remote repository. And I'll see you in the next chapter.